Here in Ohio, people in need of prescription medication may now have to go through a process to find one that works for them.
And that process can be dictated by what insurers are willing to pay for. But Ohio lawmakers want to change that. NBC4's Ted Hart is live at the State House to explain. Ted?
Well, Ellie, step therapy is sometimes referred to as fail-first therapy, where patients have to try one or two drugs that are selected by their insurer before coverage is granted on the more expensive drug that was prescribed by their doctor. And state lawmakers are now considering a proposal here that would improve step therapy in Ohio by creating some exemptions and lowering the barriers. For 37 years, Cheryl Volk has been struggling with psoriasis, a skin condition seen here that can be sometimes painful and embarrassing.
Usually, it will go right up my arm when it's at its worst.
Over the years, Cheryl has tried all kinds of treatments, injections, and creams. Last summer, a doctor started her on samples of a new drug called Otezla, and the results were remarkable.
It was the first summer since I was young, 17, that I wore shorts and short sleeves in the summertime.
Ultimately, though, Cheryl's insurance company denied the prescription, saying she first needed to try and fail a couple of other drugs.
You'd been trying things for 37 years.
Correct. Yeah.
And finally found something that worked.
That really worked. Not just eased it up, but really made it go away.
But they said back up and try something else still.
Trying different steps or step therapy is one way managed care plans try to control the costs of prescription drugs. It insists on trying less expensive drugs before progressing to more expensive and more risky therapies. It's a process that can reset whenever someone changes jobs or health insurance plans. Holly Pendle speaks for multiple sclerosis patients.
So they may have to go through one or two new medications and fail at those medications, actually show that their disease is progressing or that they're having side effects to those medications before they can get back to the medication that they were already stable on.
And the bipartisan bill now being considered here at the State House would allow for some automatic exemptions to step therapy, and it would require insurers to be transparent about the whole process. Live at the State House, Ted Hart, NBC4.